Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.64 from page number 73 of structure of atom, right? So let's read this statement. Among the following pairs of orbitals, which orbital will experience the larger effective nuclear charge, right? So we are having three problems, and out of these pair of orbitals, we have to tell about the larger effective nuclear charge, right? So first of all, we'll see the definition of effective nuclear charge. Actually, it is the actual amount of positive charge experienced by an electron in a polyelectronic atom, right? So definitely, if we'll draw the diagram, this is nucleus, and we are having electrons in the orbitals, right? So I'll represent first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, and fourth orbit. If we are having electrons in these orbits, definitely they'll experience some effective nuclear charge. That means this nucleus will attract these electrons towards itself, right? So for this, I can write effective nuclear charge is inversely proportional to the distance between nucleus and electrons. Now, more the distance, less will be the effective nuclear charge. Less the distance, more will be the effective nuclear charge. Now, let's see the first problem. In this case, we are having two orbitals, 2s and 3s. If you see, distance between nucleus and 2s orbit is less. So definitely it will experience more effective nuclear charge. So you can write over here 2s will experience larger effective nuclear charge. Next one is 4d and 4f. In this case, we are having same orbit. Now, if you have same orbit, in this case, definitely s orbitals are closest to the nucleus, then p, then d, and last one will be f. That means if we consider 4d and 4f, 4d will be the nearest orbital, right? So in this case, I can say out of 4d and 4f, 4d is the nearest orbital to the nucleus. So it will experience larger effective nuclear charge. Now let's see the last one. Again, we are having same orbit, 3d and 3p. Although orbit is same, but orbitals are different. So I know that s will experience more effective nuclear charge, then p, then d, and last one will be f. So out of d and p, 3p is the nearest orbital to the nucleus. So it will experience larger effective nuclear charge.